But this is part 3 of that. Now the new grammar hobby. This is part 3 of that. But let me tell you what recap. So in part 1 of this, we first started and we thought that this is actually a fake one. But until I enter the domains, we understand. After that, there is one green part and it was very hard. That's where part 1 stopped. Then it came to part 2. And in part 2, it was very. In part 2, we escaped the green part. We finally did the green part and then we went to this. We went and we found this place. We jumped on the net and then we have to jump on cookies. When we jumped on the cookies, actually it was a trap from grandma. So we jumped on the cookies. On the last one, we saw the cookie trail was over, and then she just sucked by doing like this. But if you're wondering why she could just take her hand and eat it, it will be very cool. But anyways, if she does that, maybe we could jump so we can avoid her. But that's why she did. But now we are still back here. So what's happening? Wait, what's this? Okay, pink. Oh wait, oh, I now I understand. So if I go here, then it will not kill me. So pink, pink, and here pink, and another pink. Oh, so here it's like this, and now I understand their trick. Trick is, you don't mess with me. Wait guys, I'm in the top because I'm in 17 level. Woohoo! Mind which is the toppest. Noppest. Okay, now we know where to go now. Yay, we escaped. Now I came to 18. Also, I have to jump on grandma's blood cells. Oh, what are these? So grandma's blood cells are just like popping and out. So the one are popping are actually dangerous ones. So let's go in. Oh, we're in 19 guys. Oh no, lasers. Oh, they touched us. We should move now guys. Why did they not move? Oh no! I said actually probably a cup. This. Understand why so many people are stuck in. Shit! I said look up! Why am I not looking up? Okay. What's this? I was so perfectly. Then it has to be like this, guys. I know I hate this fish. But sorry. Oh, guys, yes, I did it. I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it, guys. No! Yay! We did it. Oh, now we came to bone walking. Hoya. Now I have to climb up these bones. Whoa! What an intelligent man with. Ooh. Wow! What the heck happened? Why am I. Wait, am I dead? Wait, what the heck? Wait, guys, so I have to do this. Guys, don't blame me. This is my first hobby. So I literally just don't know what to do, guys. Oh, I'm in level 21. So 22 must be the complete range. That's why whenever I saw somebody in 22, they just after that I saw them leave. Oh! And here comes up. Oh, we can just do this. Oh, that's it. So we don't need to jump. Oh, I think I'm coming out of a caca. That's why those brown ticks are coming. I think I'm coming from a poo-poo. Oh. Is this the toilet world? Wait guys, can I touch this? Oh, this is also another level? Who did not told me that? Guys, poopy you have. You stuck us in. You pooped us out also to the poopy toilet world. So we escaped. Ha ha ha. I know it has to be like this to you, Brahma. But you get it! Grandma. So guys, let's see what's new. We have much time to see what's new, guys. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, what are these? Oh, these are Goa thing, something. Ooh, what's this? I got something, guys. Let me use it. What's this? Oh, guys! I can literally just make a pad with it. Wait, can I fly with it? Wait, I thought I can fly. Oh, wait, I can fly! Oh, wait, guys. This means... Wait, is that the world? This means fun time. I can see the world also with this, guys. See, literally, I'm just... I saw the end. This is the end. Guys, don't blame me that I don't know this. I actually don't know this, guys. Because this is my first hobby. Survival the pig. Peppa Pig the killer. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh wait, the Peppa Pig killer? What's this, guys? What's happening? Why am I moving? Guys, help! Oh my gosh, guys. Oh wait, this is this, guys? What's this? Wow! I got a disco toto. Guys, I have came to the end and I love it because we came to the water park. Oh wait, this is not a water park. This is an attack park. Wasted. Who did not told me this? If somebody, oh, I want it for being the good. Oh, now I think I have bones thingy. That I can climb the walls. Guys, this thing just proved yourself. Oh, boo boo. Boo boo. We are playing. Play. Oh, I play. Guys, we're so lucky to just get a bouncy thing. Oh, I am just literally just bouncing. Guys, help! I'm kinda stuck. Okay, let me just go this. Woohoo! Ouch! No one messes with mud with. Oh, run, guys! We have run. Oh, hope that guy scary guy doesn't. Guys, I am so happy we completed the grandma hobby and we get to play a killer. What, ice cream? I want. No. Ooh, we get to. Oh no! This is where this guy comes. Who is that guy? Anyways, guy? Who is that guy? Anyways, guys? Who is that guy? Okay, guys, let's find out speed. I want speed. So we can go for it. Wait, guys. Was there a flying I saw a guy having a flying carpet. Nah, that must be sick. Wait. It's a flying carpet! Woohoo! Okay, guys. So, guys, let me just think of one thing. Oh, wait. It's disco time. It's disco time. Settings time. Volume off. No, let's Guys, that was not what I'm thinking. I thought to keep a song. No. Run! Oh my gosh, guys, is that a better guy? Run! What the heck is happening, guys? Don't you dare come to our secret thing. He invited us. He invited us. Oh, looks like somebody wants to attend our. Yes, I am accepting you. Let's become friends. Yeah, I met a new friend. And sliding, but I don't know how to do that. Oh no, guys, it's him! Wait, is it him? Guys, it's him! It's him! It's him! Oh my gosh, I'm literally just now shaking, guys. I'm literally shaking of this. I'm so scared if he gets me. I don't know why. This is so dumb. This thing is so dumb. I'm just so scared. Am I also dumb? That's why I also become scared. What the heck is happening, guys? So guys, I hope you like this video. Have we completed? Oh yeah. So bye guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Please check out Manvid for Fun, Circus Baby Pro. It will be, if you want to know the names, it will be in the description below. So bye, and please subscribe and give a